Which one we should be looking at today?
The same one as last week. My
Okay.
class not done yet.
Yep. Okay, so which page?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, looks like you are on the right hand side.
I'm on the PDF.
Okay. Let me navigate to the PDF. Okay, which page?
The trigo.
Which is page.
Trigo starts with page.
You can extract that page out, then extract the page out, and then you just talk about that. Have you extracted the page out?
Not sure.
It's
Okay.
okay. You have extracted the page out?
Yeah.
Where's your cursor? Extreme left. Okay, over here. Proof. Are you talking about question 7i? Proof?
This is question 6 or so.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh. I almost skipped question 6. Okay, proof, yes. 3x. Wow. So I think you need the formula sheet.
Yeah, I have it here.
Can you put the formula sheet just beside this?
Well, it is beside.
Nice. Okay, good, cool.
Wait, so cosine 3x, is it double angle formula, but you have to change the 2 to 3?
I think you need to build on the cosine 2a. Okay. Actually today I talk about this. Okay, probably we can look at this cosine 2a. Okay, sorry. Okay, so let's start off with the cosine 2a. Cosine 2a equal to, actually there are 3 variants here. Okay, so which one you pick, it really depends on your preference. Okay, so let's look at this 1 minus 2 sine square a. I might not be doing this question. Okay, I just want to point out to you, this is the formula given. Okay, one of the variants. Okay, yep, option 1, 2, 3. Okay, I pick the third one. Okay, and you can continue to derive another formula from this given formula. So this is just a standard formula which you can build upon to see if you can have another formula out of this standard formula. So you can actually do this 1 minus cosine 2a will give you 2 sine square a, right? And then you divide by 2 on both sides, and you cancel the 2, and then you can get your, so you see that, oh, if you want to get sine square a, you just need to do 1 minus cosine 2a over 2, and from this you can see that 1 minus cosine a over 2 is actually equal to sine a over 2. Alright? Alright?
Okay, wouldn't it be sine
square? Sorry. Yeah, there's a square. Sorry. Okay? So,
yeah.
A lot of, I think many times, right? Many times you are asked to find sine a over 2, and a lot of students, they don't know what to do. Right? They don't know what to do. But actually, what you need to start off with is the standard formula, and then you have to somehow transform the standard formula into something that it might give you a clue what is this sine A over 2. So over here is that formula you can use to get the value of sine A over 2. Are you clear?
Okay.
Yes. So in a way, right, you use the standard formula, you still need to do a bit of transformation, okay, before you can actually get this sine A over 2. Okay. So similarly, if you have cosine 3x here, right, so all the formulas here, you don't have a cosine 3x, so you have to pick one and then you start to build upon that one. Okay.
Okay.
So for this question, I think it's better to choose 2 cosine square A minus 1 to start with, right? I also don't know, but probably it makes sense for me to pick the second option out of the 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, so actually I also don't know, so just pick it. Once you pick, then you have to decide to carry on with this. So cosine 3a, you can see it as, okay, cosine 3x, the question is 3x. You can see as cosine 2x, then plus x, right?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
And then you open the brackets. You open the brackets, and what you get cosine 2x and cosine x minus sine 2x and then sine x. Okay, from this formula. Okay?
Okay.
The bracket is plus. The bracket is plus. Out of the bracket is minus. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you continue. So this one you use this. So it's 2 cosine square A minus 1. So you get your cosine x. I'm so sorry. So it should be x here. Then this one sine 2x. This is sine x. So sine 2x, very clear cut, is 2 sine x cosine x. Right?
Yeah.
Then you continue, then you will get 2 cosine cube x minus cosine x minus 2 sine square x cosine x, right?
Yeah.
And what you need to so you need to get into 4 cosine cube x, right?
Yep.
So it doesn't look okay, I need to change the, maybe I need to change the sine square x here. So I have 2 cosine cube x minus cosine x minus 2, 1 minus cosine square x cosine x. Okay? So this is 2 cosine. Okay, actually I see this. I don't have to expand it. But actually you expand it is also fine. So what I'm trying to say is, can you see cosine x and cosine x here? Probably you can take out the cosine x. So you have this cosine square x minus 1. Then you minus the 2 sine x square x. Okay, so you take out the common factor. So you have this. Okay? And then you continue cosine x. Then this is cosine x minus 1 minus 2, 1 minus cosine square x. Then you open a bracket, cosine x, 2 cosine x minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 cosine square x. So this one plus is 4 cosine square x. Minus 1 minus 3. Yeah, you open it up, then you get the right hand side.
Oh.
Which is 4 cosine cube x minus 3 cosine x. Yep, done. Proof. Proven.
We could just expanded it out just now, right? Like just fully expand everything.
You mean this one?
Yeah, instead of factorizing.
Actually I can, but somehow I see that if I take out the cosine x, right, somehow I don't know. Actually you should end up with the same answer. You can. And you should end up with the same answer.
Okay.
But somehow I feel that if I take out the cosine x, right, this common factor, right, somehow I see that I have a 2 cosine square x and then I minus a 2 sine square x. Somehow I can see that I will get a 4 cosine square x. But if you expanded it out, right, you should get the same answer.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, but that's how you prove this. Alright?
Okay.
Okay, done. Next, probably you should try 7i.
Okay.
I think you can clearly see you should use the double angle formula, and yeah, because in the end you should get from you have the 2a on the left and the right hand side should be a, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm just curious. On top you pick this variant, and then below you pick this variant, given both cosine 2a. Do you have some valid reason for picking different variants?
Cause the top one is 1 minus, so I'll get remove the 1 from thing.
Okay, yep, nice try.
The bottom one is minus 1, then remove the 1.
Okay, nice try. Okay, thank you. Yep, nice try.
Okay.
Wow, that's fast. Very good. 2 marks.
Tangent square.
Yeah.
But then for
2 marks.
Square,
yeah. You get 2 marks. Very quickly.
Okay, so tangent square A, how do I change it into 3 tangent A?
They say find in radians the acute angle. So probably your this is equal to tangent square A, and then this is equal to 3 tangent A. What you should do is not to change. What you do is just group the tangent A together on the left hand side, and then you take out the tangent A as a common factor, and then you should get tangent A minus 3 equals to 0. So this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0, and you continue to solve A.
Oh wait, I thought they wanted me to prove. Okay, never mind.
So tangent A is equal to 3, right? So tangent A equals to 0. Yep, you can use your calculator, and then but if you remember the basic curve for tangent,
is it 90?
so the first one is 0, then 45 degrees is 1, then 90 is the asymptote. You know what's the meaning of asymptote?
Never touches.
Yep, so it's the limit lah, huh? Asymptote. Then you start with another one here, right? And then it's 180. 180. Yes. So this
Okay.
is 90. Then this is 135. And then it should hit -1. So if you, it depends on the range. What's the range given? Acute.
Acute, yeah.
Acute. So
Less
it's
than 90.
0 is, so A is 0 degree, yeah? Or radian mode is 0, right?
Yeah.
And then the next one is 180. Then which is not acute, so you don't have to consider that. Okay. Then you have to solve this. Then you just use A equals to tangent negative. I mean inverse 3. Yeah.
Okay. It's 1.24. 1.249.
1.249. Then 3 significant figure, right, is 1.35. Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's how you get this.
That
Okay.
means tangent 90 is undefined, right? Because it goes to infinity.
Yep. Undefined because you can see the standard curve here. Okay. 90 is the asymptote.
Okay.
Can you see the asymptote here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why it's undefined for 90 degree. Clear?
Okay.
So this is the asymptote. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just to share with you the common mistakes for this question. You know what's the common mistake? They delete tangent A on both sides, so they missed out on one question. I mean, they missed out on one answer.
Okay.
So they say, oh, I can cancel the tangent A on both sides, so I end up with this. So you miss out one answer if you did cancelling.
Okay.
You understand my point?
Yeah.
You can't delete. So it's like if you have x squared is equal to 3x, right? You cannot delete. You move them, you group them together, and then you just take out the common factor, and then you continue to solve. So x equal to 0, x is equal to -3. Are you clear?
Okay.
Okay, good.
It will be x equal to 3. Right?
Oh yeah, x equal to 3. What happened to me? Sorry. Okay. It's the last lesson of the day.
Yeah.
Good. So in a way, yeah, you keep me on my toes. Very good. Thumbs up. Okay, good. Next. Oh, so since we are talking about the basic curve of tangent, and then so I just want to let you know once again, for sine and cosine, the period is equal to 360 divided by the b. Okay.
Okay.
For tangent, the period is
90.
no 180 divided by b.
Oh.
Okay. So what I'm trying to tell you is for sine and cosine, right? Okay. The basic curve is 360 for one cycle. But for tangent, right, is 180 for one cycle. You can tell from here, right?
Yeah.
This one and this one. This is one cycle, which is 180.
Okay.
Alright? Okay, good. So take note of this. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Next. Okay, question 8. Okay, question 8 is also quite easy. Yeah, question 8.
Um,
Whoa. Are you using a writing pad or something?
yeah.
What's the brand of that?
Wacom.
Oh, Wacom. Okay, good. I'm also using Wacom.
Oh.
Mm.
Ni kêu mà mày mới chỉ được sẽ câu ra rồi.
Nằm hay tại mình vậy.
Nhàn thôi.
我嘅大蚊蠳奶，唔准蠳奶嘛？唔准蠳奶嘛？准唔准蠳奶咧？准唔准蠳奶咧？准唔准蠳奶咧？蠳奶有對喎。Looks good. Okay, that's nice. Okay, pretty easy, right? Okay, so maybe we should try 10 instead of 9.
Okay.
Oh yeah, probably you should try 9. You know why? Because for 9, right, there is a R formula. I remember you said you wanted to memorize. I want to see how you apply. It's okay, you have not memorized. Or probably you have memorized but you have forgotten as well. So I want to see how you apply. Whether from your memory or do it on the spot. And I think I have demonstrated to you how to get it from the spot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so your turn, yeah. To put what you learn into practice.
Wait, I do I first, right?
Show and then maybe you don't need to show, just 9 part 2, yes. So you just use the right hand side from part 1, and then you just see how you can get the right hand side of part 1 into the format 3 minus r sine bracket 2 theta plus alpha. Yeah.
Okay.
No. Hold on. You should try this. Hold on. So this part you just use. So it's 3 minus 4 sine 2 theta minus 3 cosine 2 theta. You want to get this into the 3 minus r sine 2 theta plus q. Yeah. So you should just use the right hand side. So instead of this.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't you think it's better to just get rid of the 3?
Yeah.
Like
I could.
don't just don't include the 3 first.
Okay.
Wait, I'm a bit confused. So let's say you get rid of the 3. Right?
Yeah.
Then so you open so okay, let me try to digest also. So you get this, and
Yeah.
then you get is it this with a bracket?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, this one looks good with the bracket. Yeah, with the bracket.
Okay.
Without the bracket, you're wrong, because without the bracket you have to times in your minus r.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably you have to so in a way you have to times in the minus r, so it's minus r here also. Do you want to times in the minus r? I don't know actually. Do you want
Yeah.
to? Okay, good.
I think I will.
Okay, good. So okay, good. So what do you do next?
Wait. Negative.
Looks good. So probably you can get rid of the minus sign as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, looks good. Okay.
That means
What's
I need to
next?
find what tangent alpha, right?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
By expressing where r find out the angle between 0.
So I think by comparing coefficient, right, you need to find what is r and what is alpha. That's your objective from this equation 1 and equation 2. Since you are not using the formula. Okay, very good.
Should I just leave it in 5SF or?
Yeah, please, because okay, the answer is supposed to be 3 significant figures, so it's better to leave more significant figures in the intermediate steps. And by the way, you are supposed to use degree mode, right?
Oh.
Yeah. So just to caution you, you should use degree mode. Alright, good.
Then it's
Then you just replace the R here with 5, right?
yeah.
Then you replace the Q. So this one is 5.
It's an A.
This is A. Okay, sorry. So this one with 36 point something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
So if you put the 3 in, so this is what you're supposed to get. Okay, good. So now you need to solve the last part. Looks like you just bring this over and then you get this.
Yeah, which is or 3 minus 5.
Yeah. Then you continue to then you continue to solve it like how we solve it normally with calculator, right?
You have to move the 1 over to the left, right?
Oh yeah,
no.
exactly. So you just get 2 minus 5 sine. Or actually you don't need to move, but in a way you just get the 3 over and then you divide by the negative 5. So it's sine 2 theta plus 36.87 degree is equal to negative 2, so it's negative 0.4, right? Right?
It's negative over negative, so it should be positive.
Yep. Thanks. Okay.
Okay,
Then you just use your calculator. What sine inverse 0.4 is, what's the answer? Can you give me?
23.578.
Thank you. 23.578, right?
Yeah.
So now with this, so we talk about, this is actually so sine positive, right? So sine positive is the all and the sine region, right?
Yeah.
And the formula for that is theta is equal to alpha, then theta is equal to 180 minus alpha. Then after that, this theta is okay. So I need to caution you here. Your this 23.578, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Is actually okay. So my theta here and the theta here, okay, this formula come from the 4 quadrants, right? All science teacher. And then over here their theta is another theta. Okay, so don't get confused. Don't get confused with this theta in the formula with the theta given in the formula. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So of course I cannot change the question, so probably I can use x first. Okay, I see this as a 2x. Okay, so now your job is to get, so see this as one block. So what do I mean by this? See this as one block is, so your this 2x plus 36.87, right, is actually equal to your 23.578. Okay? Yeah. And this is your theta is equal to alpha. And then because of this, then your this theta is equal to alpha. Okay, so alpha is equal to 23. So therefore your theta is equal to 180. Minus the 23.578, which is equal to your this 2x plus 36.87.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's not all. Okay, so hold on. So So what do you get? 180 minus this. What do you get?
180. 156.42.
Hold on. So 156.42, right?
Yep.
Okay, good. So you're going to get two answers from here, right? And then they say the range for this question is 0 to 360, right?
Yeah.
For their theta. In this case, I rewrote it as x. So they want the x to be in this range. So as long as your x is in this range, you have to accept the answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm trying to tell you is, so you need to add 360 and minus 360 to your this. So you add 360 to this.
Okay.
Add to this 23.578. And what do you get?
360 plus 383.57.
So it's so it's 383.578. So 383.578. So it's 2x plus 36.87 equal. Okay? Then similarly, this 2x plus 36.87. You plus 360, and you will get 516.42. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright? Then now probably you can go ahead and solve for your x. So what is your x from, okay, so if I consider this is your 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what is your value for 1? For x?
Wouldn't it be a negative?
Yep, go ahead. Go ahead.
3.578 minus 36.87 divided by 2. Negative 6.4646.
2?
Negative 6. Yes, okay. Is it just 1 dp?
Yeah. No, I mean just for our convenience. Just 1 dp. Yeah. For convenience.
173.4.
Then this one.
$59.8. $239.7.8.
So do you think you want to go on to 360 again? Another 360? And then over here you want to go on to another 360?
Okay.
Do you think so?
I think the first one can.
The first one can. The first one, I mean the first one already give me this, the second one, right?
But for the first one?
The first one is I mean the second one here, right? Comes from the first one.
Yeah, I meant like that one can plus 360 again, but the one below cannot, I think.
You mean you plus 360 for the one? My two comes from the 1 plus 360 here.
Yeah. So I think actually no, I think we go out of range, right?
No, this one is definitely out of range, so we need to reject. Yeah, I understand. So I'm asking, do you still want to take this plus 360 further, and then you get probably 700 something, and then you get.
I think we'll be out of range.
Okay, so how do you decide? Okay.
Check it.
So one way you can do is, of course you can figure it out and see if your x is still within the range, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Another way to look at it is, let me just give you this. So they say I want my x to be in this 0 to 360 degree range, right?
Yeah.
So, but now the question given is 2x plus 2x plus 36.87. So in a way, right, 2x, the range will be 0 to 720. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
And then if you give me 2x plus 2x plus 36.87, so over here I need to start with 36.87, and then over here I need to add 36.87, which is 756.87. So in a way, right, this is the actual range. So they say I want the x range to be 0 to 360. But in order to fit into this question, right, the actual range given this is actually this one.
Oh.
Okay? Understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you just look your 1, your 2, your 3. So you can clearly see your 1 is actually below 36.87. So that's why, in fact, you don't even need to do it, because you know that it's going to be out of range. But of course,
Yeah.
no harm you go ahead and verify it one more time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so in a way, if you add 360 to it, this one is in range. So if this one you add 360 to it, is it
It's also in range.
in the range?
740 something.
Okay, good. So then that's the you see. So just now you thought, right? You thought it probably goes out of range, but actually it's not out of range
Yeah.
yet, right? Make sense to you now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that means you still have another x, and then this one is,
This one
if you
cannot.
add this kind, not already out of range. So
Yeah.
there are two. There are multiple ways for you to make sure that you don't miss out any answer.
Okay.
Does it make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So next time when you do such questions, right, I think the right thing to do is don't. See this as one block. Okay. See this as one block.
Okay.
And then once you get this right, then they usually they will give you the range of x. Okay. So given the range of x, you can find out the range for this block. In this case is here to here. This is the lower limit, and this is the upper limit, right? And then you continue to plus the 360 from this, and then you plus the 360 from this, and then for this you continue to plus the 360, and then make sure that you don't miss out any of the answers. You understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that's how you not miss out any one answer. All right.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Yep. So you still need to add a 360 to this, then you still can get another x which is still in range. Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
never mind. So we don't have to do that. So I just want to point this out to you. Okay. Actually, this is a very good question for me to talk about the range thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, without this kind of question without discussing this question, right, it's hard to tell students, hey, what is in range and what is not in the range, and what you need to do in order not to miss out any angle given the range. All right. Okay. So yeah, I think that's good enough for this page. Okay. Shall we move on to another topic? I think we have done a lot of trigonometry last lesson plus today, right?
Yeah.
Or do you still have questions on trigonometry? I think you should be, yeah, you should be all right. Yeah. Let's go back to your your PDF. Which page you are at? You just
The page
extract.
6,
Okay.
binomial theorem.
Sure. So you probably want to extract it out, and then we just talk about that.
Okay.
Page 6, binomial equation of circle, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. All right. Good. Yeah. Are you working on the question 5?
I'm looking at the formula.
Oh, sure. But I thought, did I teach you how not to use the formula? But okay,
Yeah, the
yeah,
3 brackets, right?
exactly. I mean, um,
It's kind of the same here.
they
Right?
are
You can separate into 3 brackets.
they are the same. But I think it's easier to understand if you use my approach. My approach is like just it's so methodical. Like you just follow the methods and then you will just get it.
Yeah.
But okay, no harm looking at the formula if you know how to read the formula. But a lot of students they just don't know how to read the formula.
Okay.
They don't understand the formula actually. Sorry. Let me bring a cushion. While you are doing, let me go and grab some ice.
Okay.
Hey, by the way, these days, do you have any lessons with Mr. Wang?
No, I don't.
No. Then what about the
No.
other teachers, other subjects?
So I've never had lessons with Mr. Wang actually.
Oh, okay.
I've only ever had with the English teacher, but then I stopped already.
You stop.
Yeah.
You mean you had English tuition, but somehow you stop.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Was it Zoom or face to face?
It was face to face. Last time when we went to the tuition center.
Your last time is when?
P6 with you also.
Ah, okay. That's okay. P6 too long ago.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. P6. Oh. Whoa. P6.
Right.
Five years ago.
Wait, do I have to choose? Do I have to change the n choose 2 into
Actually,
the n factorial thing?
yes, so that you can actually simplify. If you don't, you can't simplify.
Right, n factorial.
So if you continue, yeah.
Factorial.
So
n minus 2.
So you can get this is n, then 2x is 2, then the other side is 2x, and then this is 2x 3. I'm helping you with this.
Okay.
Then I hope you can see you can cancel this. I hope you can see you can cancel this.
Oh, so everything is just divided by 2x on the right side?
No, I mean this and this is gone, right? Then this is divided by the 2x bracket square, then you only left with 2x in this here.
2x, like as in, is it in the denominator?
This is cube, right? So you just delete the, so you get 2x left only.
Okay, but shouldn't it be divided by 2x and not times by 2x?
No, 1 over. I still put my 2x in the denominator.
Okay.
Yeah. I think you can see that your n factorial is, you get rid of it also. Probably you want to tidy up this, and you should get you can divide by 9 is 5, you can divide by 9 is 6, right? So it's 5. So just if you tidy up a little bit, this is 2 factorial, right? It's 2 factorial, then this is n minus 2, then this is n minus 3, and then continue, right?
Yeah.
Then this is 6 on top, and then this is 3 factorial, this is n minus 3 factorial, right?
Yeah.
Then I hope you can see this n minus 3 factorial and n minus 3 factorial is, you cancel it also, right?
Yeah.
So in a way, yeah, so it's very tidy after this. Okay?
Okay.
So you continue, so you get 5 over 2 n minus 2, then over here is 3, then is 3 over 3 times 2 times 1 times your x, so 3 and 3, so it's 1 over 2x, right?
Yeah.
Then you continue. What they want?
They want to find n.
n equals how come I still have x here?
Yeah, that's
What did they say? Oh, they give you 2 and 5. Did I miss out anything? It's very funny. I still have an x. Let me see. Okay, this one's good. This one's good. Wow. Actually, you could have. Okay, sorry. Okay, so maybe let me just start from here. Okay. There's nothing wrong with your this approach, but I just feel that your this approach is very you could have improved it a lot. Okay, so n choose 2 is n factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial. Then this one is 2x. This is n. Then this is 2x. Then this is 2. Then this is 9. Then below is n factorial, 3 factorial. Then n minus 3 factorial. Then over here is 2x n. Then this is 2x 3. Then this is 27. So I think you can delete the 9. You can delete the 9. So you get 3 below. Right?
yeah.
Then get rid. Okay, I can actually use technology.
Oh, okay.
Just erase. Then
The 2x squared and x cubed.
but the funny thing is, I still have the x. I shouldn't have the x. It's funny, huh?
But
So-
if they're different terms, won't there always be? Oh wait, they said the coefficients are in the ratio 2 to 5. Not. It's not.
Yeah, x shouldn't be there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good. So okay. So if they want the coefficient, then how? So you just
move.
you don't care about this one, right?
Yeah.
So basically, this one you don't care about it. You just get it out of the way, right? Right?
Yeah. Wait. Shouldn't it change to 2 to the power of n minus 2 instead? Wait.
Okay, never mind. Okay, so what? Let me tidy this up a little bit. Good that you point out its coefficient. Yeah. So like this over here, then okay, then just get 9. Okay. And then for this is you just pick the 2n minus 2, and then your x whatever we don't care, because it's not going to matter.
Okay.
Yeah. So you pick these two, and then you over each other.
2 over 5.
So this is 2 to the 2. And this is n choose 3. This is 27. And this is 2 to the n, and then 2 to the 3. And this is 2 over 5. Right?
Yeah.
So gone, gone, gone. So two left. Actually, it's 1/2 left. Then 9 gone, 3. So this is 3/2. Okay.
Okay.
Then you continue. This is n choose 2 is n factorial, 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial. This is n factorial, 3 factorial. This is n minus 3 factorial. So gone, gone. Then this is gone. 3 is left. Then like I say, this is gone. No, n minus 2 left on top. Then this is gone. So half. Then this is okay. So this is cross multiply 1 equal 5/n minus 2. So it's n minus 2 is equal to 5 and equal to 7. Yeah, proof. Proven.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, yes. So yeah, we should focus on the coefficient. Alright, then with this, probably we can take a brief break before we come back.
Okay.
Okay, see you in a while.
Okay. See you.